Standards Made Silly with me, Miss Sarah.
Hello everyone, it's Miss Sarah here. Welcome to our classroom. Today we have an exciting lesson called How Many? Can you say that? How many? Today we are going to be using a silly space sack to count different objects that you will find all around the galaxy. So come with me and let's get ready to count. Now that we have our silly space sack, we are ready to count and answer the question, how many? Telescopes. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many telescopes are there? 7. You say that. 7 telescopes. I hear something making a quack quack noise in the silly space sack. Should we see what it is? Space ducks. Let's count them. Remember, we're trying to ask the question, how many? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many space ducks? 5 space ducks. You did it. Did you hear that? I hear some giggling coming from the silly space sack. Let's see what it is. Our silly alien friends. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many silly alien friends? 9 silly alien friends. Awesome counting. Oh my goodness, this silly space sack is starting to rumble. Let's count and see what's inside. Rocket ships. Let's count to answer the question, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rocket ships. How many rocket ships? 6 rocket ships. We have a few more items to count. Let's look in our silly space sack and see what's in here. Stars. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many stars did we count? 10 stars. Let's see what else is in here. Asteroids. Let's count the asteroids to answer the question, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many asteroids? 12 asteroids. This bag is getting awfully light. I think we only have one more item to count. Let's see what's inside. Planets. 1, 2, 3. How many planets? 3 planets. Thank you so much, kiddos, for helping me count space objects and answering the question, how many? Amazing work.
Mission complete.
All right, kiddos, if you had as much fun as I did today, be sure to subscribe and click the thumbs up like button below. Keep being your awesome, silly self, and I'll see you in the next video.
Have a silly day.